Hi guys, welcome back to my video. This is Master and out. Today we are playing brainy.zone. So let's click on it. Yeah, I'm so ready. Okay, so guys, I'm going to just move my camera away. Yeah, go. Okay guys, I'm going to just for now I'm going to remove my camera. Sorry guys. So you can still see. Okay? Come on. Come. Okay guys. First we are gonna play. Okay, it's Creeperhead. Of course. Good job, I got it. Then what? Wait, then what? Okay guys, this I think. Yep, it's correct. Then I know in the back there are two, so yes, I'm a pro at this. Then what? Okay, next. Okay, I don't know what's this. Okay, now I know. This and this place looks familiar. So I'm gonna press that. Everyone can understand this because it's another. Of course. Is it correct? Oh my god, there are more. Now I got there are two lamps. Let me do that. And it's correct. Let me go to the another one. Okay, I don't know what's this. Let me do it fast. I think everything is good. I don't. This hair, of course. They're not. There are tail poking out of here. Then. Even this guy is again. So let me do that guy right now. And what? That's it. Oh my god, I need to do it. I'm like freaking out of here. God. Guys, I don't know what is this. Is that? Wait a sec. Oh my god. I'm going to hint. What? This has not ever before. Guys, I'm not even kidding. This is not here. This was of course not here. Okay, let me go fast. The bed is of course different. No, not the hair. No, the chest is different. This is the side, this is the other side. Then what? There's the ocean, but I cannot see nothing in there mostly. No. Oh guys, I don't know. Guys, I cannot see nothing over there. Whew. Oh, I forgot this thing right there. Then I don't know what else. Oh yeah, the grass. It's not there. Finally, I got that, guys. Let's go to the second thing. I don't know what's. I got the mask. Guys, I'm going to rapid fire right now. Then what? So close. No. Something is missing, guys. Something. Oh yeah, this one, guys. Now I'm sure that I'm going to be rapid fire if it's a fail. Okay, this, and this head, and this torch, and the diamond. Oh my god, I just did in a minute. Let's go. Okay guys, let's go to the second one. Right, let me go. Oh yeah, I know this. The pig. I don't know what's that. The knife. And one thing is missing. I don't know what's that. And whatever. Who cares? I don't know. I don't know really what to do. Guys, I'm freaking out over here. Can anyone help me? I think. Guys, I'm just gonna skip this level. Here it is. Okay, just let. Okay, this one I'm gonna do it, of course. This, I think the head is also different. What? Oh, that guy was there. Okay, then what? Oh my god. Oh yeah, the diamond rapid. Let's go. The next. Well, it's a tough one. I know it's a tough one. This. Then what else? Yeah, the apple. Then no. Ah, the hat. Right, I'm like finding literally everything. Then what? Guys, I don't know what to find. I think so. The arrow same. The guy same. I don't think anything is different. Just, guys, I'm gonna just keep this now. No. Oh yeah, that was I was thinking. It was like so close. Yes, let's go to the different image. What the heck? This, of course. This is the easiest level I ever seen, guys. The easiest level I ever seen. Then what? Oh my god. Oh my god. The sun. The glasses. Literally, it's everything the same. I don't know what to choose. Guys, it's literally the same. I'm not even kidding. Guys, I'm not even kidding, guys. Everything's the same. Bruh, 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 bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh. Oh, yeah. I'm such a pleb. I want to just knock at everything, bruh. My god. I'm like lagging at everything. Next. Okay. This is the easiest part I ever seen. Just kidding. I'm a noob in games. Pleb. Let's go. Bruh. What? Oh, I was like going to follow the hand, but I did it correct. Yay. Oh, the head. Bruh. Alright, one thing is missing, and I don't know what's that. This? Oh, that. Okay, guys, I think thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, please. Bruh. Okay, guys, thanks for watching it.